Do you think RV means roughing it? Think again. I'm going to give you some ideas on how to turn your RV into a 5-star hotel suite. And it's really pretty simple. There's not much to it. Oh, by the way, my name's Chuck. I'm with Lake to Lake and appreciate you watching this video. So we're going to touch on some things to make your rig more like a 5-star luxury hotel suite. And we're going to upscale comfort. We want it to be nice and relaxing and have that homey feel. So let's get started. First, we're going to start in the bedroom. The number one thing you got to do is throw out that old mattress. You got to get a good mattress. I'm telling you what, that's so important. Good, high quality mattress. Don't go with a topper, a foam topper. Go with a new mattress that fits and one that you and your wife are comfortable with and like. Then you got to get some good sheets, some linen or Egyptian cotton high thread count sheets, just like a luxury hotel. You got to get some good pillows to lay so you can get a good night's sleep. You combine the mattress, the sheets, and the pillows, you're right on your way. Now you got to get a good, nice comforter and some throw pillows to make it look special. You want that bedroom, when it's all put together and the bed's made, you want it to look very nice and cozy and homey. Now we go to the bathroom. The first thing you want to do in the bathroom is you want to get rid of that $4 shower head. And you want to replace that shower head with a rainfall type or one of those massaging showers or one of those adjustable shower heads, like they have in the spas. You just want to upgrade that shower head and make it nice, make it comfortable, make it where you want to take a shower in that little bitty shower of yours. Because it's hard to get a big shower in these rigs. Use plush towels and bath mats. Get a nice set of towels. Don't get the cheapies. Don't get the ones that dry real quickly. Get a nice set of towels like you would at a hotel, like at a 5-star hotel suite. And make sure that everything matches. The towels, the washcloths, the hand towels, the floor mats. And hey, and get a diffuser. Make that bathroom smell good when your wife's taking a shower and getting around and getting ready. You want it to be an experience. You want to make sure that when you go into that bedroom and that bathroom, that it's nice, and you get all the amenities that you can possibly find to make it that way, to make it comfortable, luxurious, comfortable. Kitchen, kitchen. The first thing I'd do in the kitchen is I'd find me a way to come up with a coffee bar, an espresso machine. Get a coffee bar set up there with some real cups, not plastic cups, not metal cups, not foam cups with a lid. I'm talking about ceramic or glass coffee cups, nice ones. So that's what you drink at a hotel. That's what you drink when you're going out to eat. That's what you drink out of when you're at home. Why not do it on the road? Put a backsplash around the cooktop. It just adds a little bit. It just raises the bar. And you know what? And we have a big cutting board that goes over our range top because we really don't cook inside our camper very much. I get delegated to do the cooking outside, so put a nice cutting board on top and have it decorated. And you know what? Throw a plant over in the corner, a plastic plant. A couple plastic plants in that kitchen area makes all the difference in the world. And if you can put live plants if you want, but you put plastic ones, you don't have to worry about driving down the road and getting hot and they wilting. And it looks, you're just raising the bars, all you're trying to do. And plastic plants will do that, believe me. Use dishes. Don't use plastic dishes. Get a couple of dishes, a couple plates, a couple real glasses, a couple wine glasses, and a nice set of silverware. And placemats. Dress it up. It's so simple to make that a luxurious eating environment. The paper plates, there's time and place for those. But if you want that dining experience, it's going to be a little lackluster from a 5-star restaurant. But you know what? It can be a 5-star RV experience. So let's just raise the bar just a little bit and have it be nice. And add some wine storage. a ways to store some wine bottles. So when people walk in your rig, they see the espresso machine, they see the cutting board over the range top, they see the backsplash done, they see some wine bottles in a rack, they see a couple plants, they don't know if they're live or dead, they see a nicely set table with placemats and real plates and real glasses and wine glasses and cloth napkins. That's the way you turn your rig into a luxurious 5-star hotel suite. We're just raising the bar bit by bit. So now we've got the bedroom, we've got the bathroom, we've got the kitchen. Now let's upscale everything. Make sure you got a smart TV. Make sure you got Alexa. Make sure that you're bringing some of those comforts from home back into the rig. You know, get good, strong internet connection with good, strong Wi-Fi built in. That way your Alexa works, your phones work easier, your iPads or tablets work better, your smart TV works better. You get some good charging systems, those little low voltage charging system or charging ports on the RVs now, they're horrible. So just, you know, go get 2 or 3 chargers, spread them throughout the rig so you can get some fast charging going on. And it really makes life a lot better rather than worrying about, oh, my phone didn't get charged before we go walk the dog. You know what? Just upgrade it. And when you do it, it's more like home anyway. You know, with Alexa, hey, Alexa, what's the temperature outside? What's the weather going to be? You have those things. Get those little luxurious items. Take them with you. Make this a special event. Bluetooth speakers. You know what? You can hook a Bluetooth speaker up to your smart TV. Sounds better, and then you can double that for music. You get the right one. About any Bluetooth speaker work outside, so you can use it inside or outside. And there's nothing better than a good quality speaker with a little bit of music in the background. Final touch. The final things that set this rig apart. You got your theater seats with the massaging and the heated. Get a couple nice throws put over it. Get a couple nice pillows, decorative pillows. Spice up the place. Get a nice rug in the dinette or kitchen area. A nice one, not, you know, upscale it. Make it special. Maybe you got some pictures of the family. Maybe you got some pictures of your alma mater. Add a little bit of artwork to your rig. Get some pictures. Make it a little bit more homey, because as it becomes homey, it raises the level of luxury in your rig. And when people come in and they see pictures of your alma mater or pictures of your family or pictures of the last place you went on a trip, you like that and they'll like that. It's a good conversation piece also. And maybe just a plug-in air freshener. I know we talked about putting a diffuser in the bathroom. Maybe you want to put one in the main coach too. Just add a little bit make it a Pottery Barn smell. You know what? You get the Pottery Barn smell, you get the nice plates and glasses and cloth napkins and nice rugs and decorative pillows and wine rack and espresso machine. Guess what? It all comes together. And now it's more like a luxurious hotel suite rather than just a plain old travel trailer. And that's our goal here. What would you do in your rig to make it more like a luxurious 5-star hotel? So put it in the comments below. Give me your ideas. Ways we can raise the bar. So anyway, I think that'll wrap it up. Appreciate you watching this. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. It definitely helps. So until we meet around the campfire, y'all take care now. Bye-bye.